Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you do not know who I am, my name is Alokrita Barua. I create content and videos on YouTube on fashion, makeup, skincare, and I also do a lot of hauls. So if you're looking for something like that, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy watching this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. Now, before I start, just a quick disclaimer, you might get to hear a little bit of background noises. I'm shooting in natural light and I have to keep the doors and windows open, so please bear with me. I can't really help it. So anyway, let's talk about today's video. So today's video is going to be a very small, like a mini haul from Myntra. Now, since the festivities are right around the corner, we have Durga Puja, Dussehra, Diwali coming up. I always like to, pamper myself with beautiful traditional outfits. So this time I went a little overboard with the traditional outfits, and I got myself a few sets, like kurta sets from Myntra. I got really good discounts, and anyway Myntra is having their big billion day sale, so if you're planning to get something for yourself, then definitely check Myntra out. I'll also put the try on clips here somewhere on this side or on the screen, and also the prices of these of all the products will be on the screen somewhere. Okay, so the first item that I got is this beautiful kurta. So it's in this beautiful color, like a teal blue color, and the sleeves look like this. It has like shimmery embellishments all over the sleeve. I love how the sleeve looks on me. It just gives it a very modern twist to the entire look. And then it has like a square neckline. The neck is a little deep, so just be careful if you're not someone who's into very deep necklines. Then this one is a little deep. Then the entire kurta is sort of like an anarkali, but it has like gota patti work going all over the entire kurta. So it's sort of like a tiered kurta, right? I don't know how to explain it, but you'll see it on the try on. And it's just very, very flowy. It's pure cotton. It also has like a lining inside it, so you don't have to worry about it being very see-through. And yeah, I think it looks really, really pretty. So yeah, and to pair with this I got, so this was like an individual item. It didn't come in a set. To pair with this, the bottoms that I got are these. It's in this very beautiful gray color, and it has like prints here at the bottom. I got myself a pair of huge chunky jhumkas. So that's how it looks like. It has beautiful mirror work going on, and it is slightly heavy, I have to say that. It might pull a little on your ears, but I think it just looks so pretty, like something, if you have a very simple kurta, like a very simple anything that's very simple and has no sort of fancy work going on the kurta, you can wear something like this with it. It just accentuates the entire look so beautifully. So you'll see on the try on clip on how it looks on me, the entire look. Okay, so let's move on to the next set, which is a sharara set. Now this has to be my favorite so far in this entire haul, although I have like just 3 sets to show you, but this has to be my most favorite. So this is in this beautiful pink, like a baby pink sort of a color. The camera might not be able to do justice, but yeah, This is how it looks like. That's the kurta. It's a short kurta, and it has like beautiful mirror sequin work going on at the end, and the end has like the scalloping going on, which just looks so cute together. And then here at the neck is a little bit like a sweetheart neck. It's not deep, it's just perfect. Then it comes with mesh dupatta, like a net dupatta. Again, the dupatta is very beautiful, has that, you know, mirror work going on everywhere, and it has like this lacing going on at the border, and it's just very pretty. It's not heavy, it's very light and breathable. And the best part about the entire set has to be the sharara. So this is the sharara. This is how it looks like. It has elasticated band at the back. So this is how the entire sharara looks like. It's just so beautiful. The entire sequin work, the mirror work that is going on is just beautiful. And also at the end, the scalloping here is given. I mean, it's just so beautiful, and because of the material, it just like it falls very beautifully. So yeah, absolutely love this one. So because it has mirror work going on, the neck piece that I got to pair with this, it's actually a set. So it comes with a choker style neck piece. So it comes with this choker, and again because it has like mirror sequins going on in the entire suit, I thought why not, you know, pair something like this. It's gonna look so beautiful. And then it comes with these earrings. So it's nice that the earrings aren't too heavy, because, you know, just in case you want to wear the earrings as it is, then you can definitely wear it. And yeah, it comes with this thread sort of a thingy that you can, you know, adjust accordingly. So yeah. So the last set, which is again another sharara. By the way, both these shararas are from this brand called Indus, and I think it's quite a famous brand on Myntra, so you can definitely check out. They have a ton of variety in suits and like shararas and anarkalis. They have quite a lot of variety. Okay, so the next piece is this one. So like I told you, I wanted something in like strappy, like straps, with straps and no sleeves, and this one just was so perfect. The fitting, the look, entire look is really good. It has like embossed gold foiling going on all over the kurta. Then at the bottom again, that scalloping here with a little bit of that lacing going on in gold. And yeah, it's pretty simple, but also very festive appropriate. You can also wear these for your wedding seasons, like weddings and all. Definitely like really worth it. Then it has like slits at the side, so you won't feel uncomfortable. This is slightly short, but you know, with shararas you are supposed to wear kurtas which are slightly short, so that, you know, the entire look comes together. And again, got this in size M. The material is like a silk blend. It's very soft. You won't feel itchy or anything. And same goes for the other two kurtas as well. The material for all the kurtas were like top notch. And then the dupatta was again similar to the last one. It's all completely mesh and net. It has tassels here at the sides, like, which is like a very cute add-on. And then the entire dupatta has like this gold gota patti going on at the sides. And that was the dupatta. Let's move on to the sharara. Again, the sharara was just like, it's so dramatic and very pretty. Again, comes with an elastic band then it goes all the way like at the bottom. The flare is like pretty nice, it's pretty huge, and then it has that net thingy with like lining underneath it, and again like it has like 3 different lines like gota patti going on here. So yeah, it looks a bit dramatic, but again it just is so pretty. Like when you wear it, it looks amazing. It's not at all uncomfortable or anything. I got another jewelry set. So this time I thought of going in with like a beautiful pearl necklace. Now in that in the model, like in the picture, the model was wearing something like this with this kurta, and it absolutely looked so beautiful. So I wanted to get myself something like that. So this is how it looks like. It has smaller pearls here and then bigger pearls, and then like stones all in between. And I think it just looks so pretty with this set. It also comes with 2 earrings. That's how the earrings look like. So that is it for today's video. Let me know if you want to see more hauls like this on, you know, traditional outfits, on kurtas and sets and something like that. Maybe from Myntra. I can do something, I can do a similar haul from Ajio or Amazon. Something that's a little bit on the more affordable range. Then let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see something like that, then I'll definitely get it out there for you. But I also have a lot of new content coming up for you, so stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It'll mean a lot. Like this video if you really enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and yeah, bye.